Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 arc welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected HITBOX Arc Welding Machine. Product details. Brand name, HITBOX. Rated duty cycle, 40%. Pilot arc current, 10135A. Pulse frequency, 5060 HE. Model number, Mini ARC 200. Dimensions, 170 x 220 330 mm. Voltage, 110 220ths of a volt. No load voltage, 64 volts. Weight, 4.5 kg. Input power, 4.5 kW. Item number 2 is HITBOX HBT 2000 TIG ARC2-in-1 Welder. Product details. Brand name, HITBOX. Certification, CE. Origin, CN origin. Weight, 9 kg. Model number, HBT 2000. Dimensions, 44 cm 26 cm 34 cm. Usage, HF TIG/ARC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Spot Laser Welding Machine. Product details. Item weight, 8 kilograms. Item height, 23 centimeters. Jewelry tools and equipments type, molds. Item width, 15.5 centimeters. Item length, 28 centimeters. Item type, jewelry tools and equipments. Item diameter, 1 centimeter. Material, metal. Model number, 100A. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.